What's going on, world? This is your boy Nick from Total Tech, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Insta360 Portable Charger. Now I finally got my hands on this thing right here. If you can see it, I ordered this thing a month ago. It took 6 whole weeks to get here. I ordered it from the Insta360 store, and it came all the way from mainland China, and it took forever to get here, man. I should have waited. I got it because it came in stock. I was watching this. I was like, man, that thing looks pretty cool. And I was watching it and it finally came on stock. The only place it was in stock was the Insta360 store. So I went ahead and purchased it. And then after I did that, about a week later when I'm waiting, I seen that B&H Photo had it in stock too. So I probably could have got it in 4 weeks ago, but here I am, I finally got it. So this thing right here is a portable charger that charges the Ace Pro line and also the X4 line. So you can have one charger with a portable battery in it that charges 2 different action cam batteries, and we'll get more into that in a second. Now this thing right here, once again, it has a 10,000 milliampere battery in it, and it charges Insta360's the Ace Pro 2, the Ace Pro, the Ace, the X4, and the X3. And you can also store 2 micro SD cards in there as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this thing up, man, and see what you get inside the box. I might throw it at you, yo. I might break something, hurt my camera, but here we go. Let's open this thing up and see what we get. Hopefully that opened it up. I always be doing this thing with a little peck. I don't like to peck it. I don't like to mess up my boxes, so I'll be trying to do this as careful as possible. So see what we can do here. Y'all help me out. All right, let's get this plastic off and see what we got. Do not like the damage on boxes, but here we go. And also on this particular video, I am testing out the Hollyland Mark M2S microphone, which is right here. If you see it, you don't see it, I don't know. Tell me how the sound quality sounds on this video too. I want to know that down below in the comments. But here it is, man. This is the box. This is the box. This thing was stuck in a custom for 3 weeks. It was like, it wasn't moving. It was like, you know, Trump came in the office and they talking about those tariffs and everything like that. It's like the port just shut down. This thing was sitting there. I was like, man, come on. Just send it to me. But here it is. I finally got it. They finally released it. And here it is. And here it is. I can't get it open. All right, let's go. I don't want to tear my box. That's just a pet peeve of mine. But you gonna open the day. I feel it tugging on me. Here it go. Oh, I'm about to tear the box. I am about to tear the box. Why I can't never open these? Me and these boxes. Why I can't never open? I'm about to tear the side up and the thing just flips open. Voila, magic. But here you got your literature, tell you how to do stuff. I am not reading this. You can read that if you want to. I don't know where you're gonna get it from, but you buy one, you can read it. And here we go. Here's the case. And this thing is bigger than I thought, way bigger than I thought it would be, but I guess so, with a 10,000 milliampere battery in it. So here we go. We have this. This is what the front looks like. Press that button, it's probably dead. I'm probably gonna go ahead and get a USB charger from somewhere. This thing is dead. Like it is super dead. But maybe because the plastic is in there. But you open it up, now the light comes on. The light doesn't come on until you open it up. So I open it up. This is what you have on the inside. It has precautions to remove an X4 battery. Pinch the battery latch on its side. Oh, you got to pinch the latches. So the latches, if you're not familiar, the latches on its side are these 2 things right there. And that's the only way you can remove the Insta4 battery. Same thing you do on the camera, so you got to do it in the charger as well. So press those 2 and it'll pop out. That's what it said. Other than that, that's pretty much the only caution it has. So I got right here an extra battery from my Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And this is the previous case I had with Insta X4. And this is what I carried around. So when I got the Ace Pro 2, I got the extra battery, but I didn't have anything to carry it around, nor did I have anything to charge it with. So before I ordered this thing, you would have to charge each camera separately. So the thing I like about this, doesn't matter which battery you put in here, either the action camera line or the 360 line, it'll charge both of them at the same time. Mind blowing. Mind blowing. But yeah, man, this is what you got on the inside. See what there? You got your little prongs over there. You got your SD cards at the top. You could put 2 micro SD cards on there. You got your little rubber right here so it doesn't mess up the batteries. And this is what you get. This is the previous case that came with an extra X4 battery. You got your micro SD slot right here at the top, and your battery goes down here. The Ace Pro 2 did not come with one of these when they get the extra battery. I don't know if you buy the battery sold separately, other than it came with the camera. So they didn't give me the case, right? So I bought this battery for the X4 separately, and it came with the this little case right here. But I am gonna throw this sun gun to the side, put it over here somewhere, and yeah, man, I'm gonna put this battery, we're gonna test it out in a second. But let's see what else is in the box. Other than the literature, other than the charger itself, that's all that's in the box. It didn't even come with a charging cable, which is really weird to me. It's USB Type-C, that's the port right there on the back, if you can see it. But it didn't come with a cable or anything. I guess they say you probably got one laying around somewhere. But the pricing of this thing is around, was it $64? If not, I'll put it in the down below, something right here, the pricing of it. $64, let me close this mic before I make an accident. $64, and that's what you get. So the size comparison between these two is like that. If you look at the size comparison of a phone, this is a Galaxy Ultra. It's about that big right there, about that thick. So that's what you got. Yeah, man. And to open it up, you got to press the button. It just doesn't come open without pressing the button. And voila, that's what you get. But let's put these 2 batteries in there and see how it does. I think I'm gonna use the Ace Pro 2 on the right, X4 on the left, and it gives indentations of which battery goes to which plug. So that's pretty good. It doesn't leave you to try to figure out what is what. So Ace Pro 2 batteries go right here. We put that in. X4, X3. All right, I'll probably up. Oh, you just push it in and it charges, and the LED just lights up and charges. I guess I won't do it fast enough. It's flashing. So if you see it, it's flashing. So that means it's charging, right? So that was pretty straightforward. And to take it off, it's kind of weird, but take it off, I guess you just pull it and it comes off, right? So that's what you do. It's super easy to put on. Just push it in there and it starts charging. Now, one of the things I noticed is this is it's not flush, it's not sitting flush for some reason, and it's not raised up. Or maybe it's just me. But it's kind of wobbly is what I'm trying to say. I guess when you close it down, it doesn't wobble because it's secured in place when you close it, but it's kind of wobbly because the battery's so little. But yeah, that's what you get. But the X4 goes into the other slot. Put that in there. And it's interesting. I figured out why it's so wobbly. So this thing, maybe I need to read the instruction manual. It has like an insert in there to keep it from wobbling. So if I switch this over to the other side, let's see if it's more secure. No, it's not more secure. It's just on the other side. But they have like an adapter for the X3. So if you're gonna put the X3 on this side, it has an adapter over here. But if not, it has an adapter on both sides. Maybe I do need to read the instructions. It's a little adapter that goes there if you have an Insta360. I'm gonna take both of those off. And the X4 goes there, bam. So the action camera batteries are actually easier to pull out than the X4. I don't have an X3, so I can't test the X3. It said in the instructions that you have to press these to make it come out. I think they put that in there because people were having trouble getting this thing out, because when you press this, it doesn't pop out like in the camera. So I got the camera right here. So if I press these two, it pops out, right? If you see, it pops out. If I press those, it pops out. And it's real easy. It just pops out. I don't know if it's spring loaded or what. But this right here, when you press these two prongs, it doesn't do anything. It's almost like it's stuck. So you'll have to use two hands to actually get this off. At least that's the only solution I can come up with. You press it and you kind of pry it, which is kind of really not intuitive to me. I think this could have been designed a little bit better, because you got to use two hands to get the battery out. I got to press it right here and then push it right there to get it out. I don't know in the long term will that damage the battery or what. I hope not, because you're not really doing anything but, pushing the battery out, but who knows, man. So that's something to look out for. Just making sure it clicks in, just making sure you don't damage your battery over time. And kind of push it out. See, this thing is hard to get out. Like, this is not really intuitive to me because it's hard to get out. You gotta almost kind of, do you see how I'm making it come out? Right, you put it in, clicks in, snaps in, starts charging, and then to get it out, I gotta kind of push right here. You see this little gap right here? I gotta push it while pressing these two latches. So I'm pressing the two latches and I'm kind of pushing with that hand. And I guess you get used to it. It comes out better than nothing, but I think that design could have been better. So the Insta360 Pro 2 is already charged. These batteries are fully charged anyway before I even open this thing up, because I had charged them because I need my batteries charged and ready to go in case one of them dies. So I normally charge in camera, which is not really convenient. This I can keep rolling without pausing to charge. So close it up. This thing right here fits in the pocket, fits in your backpack, has the Insta360 logo on the top. On the back, it has some wording just to let you know that it's a portable charging case and it's a battery inside. And yeah, no rubber feet on it, so this thing slides around. You get little inserts depending on what battery you have. It's the X3 or the X4. I don't have the X3, I have the X4, so I will take that insert off of both sides. And other than that, man, this is what you get in the box. Kind of sad that it doesn't come with charging cables, but I guess you get what you pay for. But I paid for a charger, and I would have thought it came with charging cables. But anyway, you got a USB-C for your other devices, such as your phone, your earphones, or something like that. But this is what you get in the box, man. So that's pretty much it for this video, man. If you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up button. You want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.